You ever had the juiciest burger ever made?
Delicious.
This is it right here.
Juicy.
Cooked on the best wood pellet grill in the world. We'll see you at the recteq. Hey, what's happening? I'm Ray Carnes, co-founder of recteq Grills. I'm here with my man,
Stevie Fredericks, recteq Grills.
That's right.
That's right.
We are doing a burger. I got to thinking about a recipe. We did a recipe one time, a burger. We call it the Ron Burger. It's pretty cool. It's out there on YouTube. And it was with spinach and tomatoes. So I thought about this time taking it up just a notch from there because that one was so good. We're going to make kind of a cream spinach tomato mixture with some arugula. And then we're going to make a fried egg with some pepper jack cheese. And we're going to grill the burgers. What I think is the greatest way to grill a burger on the recteq 700 is at 450 degrees without the sear kit.
No sear kit.
To me, that's the juiciest burger I've ever cooked. I know the sear kit makes and gives them a beautiful look.
It does.
And they're wonderful. But I'm telling you, when I cook them this way, they are the juiciest burgers in the world. So to get started, what we're going to do is put 2 tablespoons of butter in here on a cast iron skillet. We got this on wide open right now. It's running at 560 degrees. Okay. Then we just got some cherry tomatoes that we've got halved. We're going to get them in there. Let me get you a tool, Stevie.
Give me a tool.
He's going to get a little bit of a roast on there. We're going to shut that down. We're going to add a little bit of garlic.
Give me the garlic.
We're going to hit a little bit of garlic. We're going to use about a half a tablespoon of this garlic paste. Nice little cheat there. Now all we want to do now is wilt some spinach. He's going to squeeze some lemon on the top of that.
That sucker is hotter than your first girlfriend right there, buddy.
That's pretty dang hot, man. I don't know about the first one, man.
I don't remember your first girlfriend.
Yeah, well, let's forget about it. All right, he's got that wilt. We also have some arugula here. Okay, we're gonna mix in some arugula. So now we're gonna just we're gonna start off with a couple tablespoons of cream cheese, and then about a cup of Parmesan, or half a cup, or 2 cups, or whatever.
One more.
He's going to get that mixed together, let it start to melt. And once it starts to melt, we're going to now turn this grill down to 300. It's already down to 347 because it's been open, of course. We're going to turn it down to 450, let it recover. That's looking good. All right, so that's looking good. He's going to go ahead and take that, and he's going to put that in the warming box. So he's just going to set it in there. That's a good thing to utilize this warming box, and that's going to stay nice and warm for us while we do our burgers. Get this up to 450. Let's make our patties. All right, so now we're going to make these patties. We're going to start by cut this in half and quartering it with your eyeball there. Now, the biggest mistake I've seen rookies make is they overwork the patties. And so I like just to squeeze, push down one time on my cutting board, use that as the backstop, just kind of push the edges neat then. So we're going to make some big ones today, okay? And we get about a handful. I like to get it where it's sitting in the palm of my hand, like the same as the other one. Yeah. Well, yours is going to be a hobbit hand, so they're going to be smaller. Now, guys, if you like this content, be sure to subscribe, smash that bell, and tell us in the comments what you want to see us do. We're going to start shooting some more videos, so we'd really like to hear from you, and tell us what you'd like to see, and we'll try to get to it.
I've been wanting to ask this question through the video. Where'd you get the Drew Carey glasses, Bo? What made you go with Drew Carey? Just the whole look?
Well, it's not Drew Carey. No, it's just that really, to be honest, they're the only ones that fit my big head.
Have you ever watched The Price is Right?
I mean, if you're small like you can get glasses. Generally, all glasses are going to fit you. But I have a large head, and so you're limited.
So
you're
limited. Went with the Drew Carey.
So I just went with
they
went with what fit me.
Right.
We're going to use our Screamin Pig Rub. Now, what we're going to do when we fry this egg is we're going to have some pepper jack. We got like that sweet creamy spinach going on there, and so we want to add a little sweet heat here. So we're going to season them. These are big burgers. We're going to go pretty liberal.
Yeah.
And we're going to get these on. We're cooking at 450. Something about that lower temperature. Juiciest burgers ever. That'll be a test one. This is going to be Stevie's.
Right here.
All right, so go ahead and get these guys on. Ben, come here and let's put these guys on at 450. The grill recovered. We had it open, so we're good to go right now. All right, so we're gonna get these eggs going. This thing was scorching hot, so we just took it out of the pan. Bam! I mean, out of the recteq, that is. And just go ahead and crack those 2 eggs in there.
You ready, baby?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Oh,
Grab
man.
it. Executive chef.
Okay, so we're gonna make a little aioli for these burgers as well. Oh man, that was loose. All we're gonna do, we're gonna make a garlic aioli. Aioli is a fancy word for mayo and something else. And so what you do is take some mayo, and you can add teriyaki to make a teriyaki aioli. One of my favorites at home is like a sriracha aioli, but for this one, sriracha. We're gonna use just a little honey rib rub. You know, we brought in these fried eggs with the pepper jack, and that's the versatility of the recteq. You can do so much. You can do breakfast. You can fry on this thing. You can bake, smoke, sear, grill, even dehydrate. We're gonna add a little honey rib rub, and then we're gonna just take this garlic paste. This is a real easy way. If you did some smoked garlic on the recteq, which Chef Greg does all the time, we just didn't have any handy. That'd be really nice to add in here. We're gonna add about a tablespoon of that. And then we're just gonna whisk that together to have a little bit of aioli for the buns, and we toasted those buns off as you saw. It's time to flip these burgers. Come on over here, Ben, and let's take a flip, make a flip. All right, so we got these on. They took about 20 minutes at 450. So I go 10 or 11 minutes the first side, and that's my presentation side, if you will. And then we flip them and see where we're at. Sometimes, depending what temperature you started off, they could take a little longer, okay? Or a little shorter. So that's why I always go on the presentation side that long. They're beautiful, red. You can almost tell when they get firm in the middle. I go to about an internal of 150. You can go to that medium well with a burger at this temperature. They're still insanely juicy. I mean, just show them the inside of this one.
Just a little one.
The little one even. But that's gonna be well done. But
that's good juice.
You could go to 150. Still going to be incredibly juicy. Wait till you see when we cut these things in half. Let's build these burgers, Stevie.
Holy moly, that's hot.
This is our fried egg with the pepper jack. Now this could be served. That dish right there could be a side.
That's what's happening.
Yeah. That could be just a side by itself, but we took these little flavor elevator and took it to the next level. And
the flavor elevator.
The flavor elevator, baby.
I like it.
All right, let me cut this guy in half so you can see this here. All right,
here we go. We got.
You ready to do this?
Let's do it.
Best part of our job. We're getting paid, Stevie.
Paid.
Hey.
Wow, look at that. Get some drippage.
Hey.
Man, come on. That was in my ear.
Let me tell you something.
Tell me something.
That's pretty dang good.
That's pretty dang good.
That spinach, the sweet, there's a little bit of heat in there with the pepper jack. It all comes together. You got to try this one. Thanks for watching. Check out recteq.com. Thanks for cooking with me today. Take care. We'll see you at the recteq.